Oh, hi, Doug. Thanks for having me. My job title is R&D director these days. I essentially run some of our engineering teams, look after the direction of them, make sure they're performing as teams, and try and grow what we deliver as a business on the product side. Ooh, aha. Many things. I think the answer to that is a lot of things. It's very topical. It's one of the top things on my boss's mind. We're talking about it all the time. And I think we are trying to embrace it on probably two fronts at the moment. If I'm thinking about what we're doing with it, we're kind of looking at how we can use it internally to improve our efficiencies, to drive our development quality processes. What I mean by that is we're we're removing some of what we used to do in terms of technologies we use. So we're supplementing Visual Studio Code. We're using Copilot with that to help with development, to reduce development time. AI is assisting with some of the development we do. It's helping us write unit tests. It's helping us write automation for our quality. We're also bringing in, well, I suppose, new IDEs like Cursor. I don't know if you've heard of Cursor, but Cursor is it's built on Visual Studio Code, but it is an AI first IDE for development. And I'd say about 50% of our developers are now using Cursor on a day-to-day basis. It's got built-in AI, you've got agent mode, it's starting to deliver, I think, productivity gains, increases in quality. It's supplementing what our dev guys are doing. And if we use it in the right way, it's giving some very positive results. We start configuring our AI to use instructions. We give it instructions in like markup language to try and tell it the boundaries of what we want to do, the rules of operation for it, and it honors those. And it's enhancing how we build software today. And then I think we're looking at more the product side with AI. We're looking at how we can use MCP servers. If you know what I mean by MCP servers, we can communicate with some of our systems, some of other people's systems using the MCP protocol, and we can bring in more context to what we're doing. The journey there that we're trying to get onto is to follow this sort of trend towards agentic AI, to chaining together AI. Almost where, if I break it down in a way, one example would be where we detect a problem on a user's device, on an endpoint somewhere. We can analyze that problem with one AI model. Then we can pass that to another AI model, which will maybe recommend a course of action, a remediation. And then we can take that and pass that to another AI with another model, which would then maybe remediate the problem for us. It would make some changes on that endpoint. It would install a patch. It would remove some registry keys. It would change something on the endpoint to automatically fix that problem. And that's kind of where we want to be as a business. We want to be using AI to try and bring in automated remediation.